Hey everybody, it's me Antee M. Just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you two quick items. These are from the Dollar Tree. These are the silver trays that they have. $1, $1, and the candlesticks $1. So you can make this little tray that you could sit on your dresser. Now what you will need is E6000 glue, but you want the clear glue. This is black, so I won't be using it. And glue sticks. So you would use both of these together. So what you would do is use your glue gun, glue this up here, then you would put your E6000 on it and you would sit it. You can find your middle piece. You would want to do it upside down. Let that sit, and then you would glue this top again with your glue, hot glue, and your E6000, and you're going to sit that on top and kind of press it down, and voila, you get a tray that you could put in your bathroom or on your dresser or on your vanity. I have mine with perfume on it, just little trinkets, my rings that I take off at night, and there you go. So the next item is, how many of us have 1,000 of these jars that we buy candles and they have tops and we thinking, what can we do with it? So once the candle is finished, again, you want to take a Dollar Tree candlestick, glue the top with the hot glue, then you want to put your clear E6000 on, and you just want to set your jar right on top. Press it down, and there you go. And then I have cotton balls in this one, and on this one you can do your Q-tips. So that looks really nice on here. So you have this, you could sit in your bathroom or again on your vanity, and then you could take it a step further and go get you a flat knob. Let's take this off to just show you. You can get a flat knob and glue it on the top, and then you have something really pretty to sit on your vanity. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Come back to see us on Cooking and Creating with Antee M. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.